Wow, it's so amazing. That is called controller pad game. Oh my god. We have a cheap professional game chip that have maybe 2000 game in this chip. Okay, you see this chip. Okay, okay, now let me inbox for everyone watch together. Okay, let's see together. Okay, now I open. Oh my god. Okay, now we have the chip. Okay, we got the chip. See, oh my god, 4K Ultra HD. Okay, Ultra HD and game stick lit. Okay, let's see this. Use HDMI HDMI. Okay, HDMI cable. Okay, okay, I close it. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have more and have USB Type A. You see USB Type A. Okay, let's see Walker. Okay, USB Type A. Let's see more. Okay, we have two controller. Okay, wow, it's so cool, man. You see that, man? Okay, one. Oh my god. Okay, one more. Oh my god. Okay, two controller and we got cable tap USB Type A to charging. You see? Okay, one more. We got HDMI port. You see HDMI port and to HDMI. Okay. Oh, and this some introduction manual tell about the game, all the game that we can play. Okay, you see, that is cool. Oh my god, that's all. No, okay, that we have a professional game chip one. Connect with the TV. You have monitor you can connect to, and you got a classic game you can play with the controller classic. Okay, and double rocker control. Okay, no, I don't have this too. Okay, oh my god, so good. That is a chip, and in this chip house how 2000 game. Okay, I will review the game for everyone. Okay, now thank you everyone. I just unboxing my gameplay. Okay, let me show you more and in next video. Okay, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.